How to get rid of phlegm and mucus in chest, easy and fast. Coughing up phlegm and mucus is the body's detoxification process in response to a bacterial invasion of some kind. It is a form of excretion. Mucous membranes produce phlegm to support the respiratory system, and when sick, this phlegm becomes thicker and more noticeable. In this video, we will share with you a few different ways to get rid of phlegm and mucus so that you can breathe easy again. 1. Warm fluids. Drinking warm fluids will help the phlegm to flow. Clear broths, chicken soup, and herbal teas are a great way to get rid of phlegm quickly. Hot lemon tea with ginger and honey is an excellent way to get rid of phlegm in a short time frame. Warm salt water using Himalayan pink salt is another home remedy for excess phlegm. 2. Humidify the air. Humid air is great to get rid of phlegm and mucus in the chest area. The steam room is a great way to get rid of the sticky substance. But what is even better than steam is a cool mist humidifier. This humidifier can be run safely all day long. 3. Eucalyptus oil. This is possibly one of the best ways to get phlegm out of the chest region. It loosens the mucus so you can cough it out more easily. There are a variety of ways to imbibe essential oils. They can be vaped, steamed, or applied as a balm to the chest region. A steam room with a mix of herbs and essential oils is probably the best way to get rid of phlegm, but this is not what could be called a convenient remedy. 4. Decongestants. Natural remedies aside, the quickest way to get rid of phlegm and mucus is with proven over-the-counter decongestant remedies. Lemsip can work very quickly and effectively to get rid of excess mucus and will clear the sinus and chest region. Vicks VapoRub is another proven method of clearing the respiratory area when rubbed on the chest. There are many ways to get rid of mucus and phlegm. The truth is that over-the-counter medications work the quickest and are the most effective when compared to natural remedies. But there is no harm in using a combination of all of these in conjunction with spicy foods such as cayenne pepper, ginseng, and oral zinc.